this video, we're gonna cover how to overcome your fear of selling. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you find these videos useful, and let me know in the comments if you have ever had the fear of selling. Hi everyone, Stas here, hope you're doing well. And have you ever been in this position where you are just afraid of sales? You have everything else in place and you know that this is the one thing that is going to move the needle the most for your business, but you just can't bring yourself to do it. You just can't get the phone and start to speak to your prospects. You know that's what you need to do, but you procrastinate. You focus on everything else, but the one thing that matters the most and the one thing that's going to generate revenue for your business. Well, I know what that feels like because I was in a very similar position with my business before. And to explore this, I want to take it back and I want you to understand firstly what selling is. Because you see, in society, we have been programmed that selling is sleazy, selling is cheesy, and all salespeople are crooks. Well, the truth couldn't be more different because you see, selling is not shoving something down someone's throat that they don't want, can't afford, or don't need. Selling is uncovering something so well and so powerful that the person wants to give you their hard-earned money in exchange for the thing that you have. That's what selling is. Also, selling is not an event. Selling is a process, and that process consists of multiple steps so that when the person gets ready to buy, it's a much easier transition to go through. And also, I don't believe in high pressure selling because it kind of looks like this. Hey, listen, I'm gonna be honest with you. You need this. Yeah, I understand, I know. This is gonna change your life. And look, if you don't want it, I've got 57 other calls to make of all people that do want this. So if you don't take it, they will. So what's it gonna be? Are you in or are you in? Yeah, I'm a little scared, I'm a little anxious. I'm not taking no for an answer. Do you feel pressured right now? I know you're not pressuring me, and I don't feel any pressure whatsoever. I'm totally fine here. Leave a like and a comment if you have ever been pitched in that way. So, how do you get over your fear of selling? If you want to become an Olympic swimmer and you want to jump in that pool and win a gold medal for your country, you can read all the swimming books, you can watch all the swimming videos, you can listen to all the swimming athletes and the Olympic gold medalists for as long as you want. But until you get in that pool, you're never going to learn how to swim. It's the same with sales. Until you get in the environment where a sale has to be made or needs to be made, in other words, on the phone, in a meeting, in a presentation, on a webinar, doesn't matter, you are never going to get good at sales, but also, more importantly, you're never going to conquer your fear of sales. Until you jump in the pool, you're never going to conquer your fear of swimming, just like you're never going to conquer your fear of sales until you get on a phone. And remember, when you get on the phone, that's what moves the needle the most for your business. And I can promise you that after you've done your first or second sales call, you're going to think to yourself, I really don't know what I was worried about. That really wasn't that hard. And I will go one step further. If you have something valuable to share with the world, with society, that you know is going to impact people's lives, it is your duty to spread that message. It is your duty to uncover and relay that message to the world. And sometimes, just by relaying that message to the world, you will have people flocking to you because they want to know more and they want to work with you. What if sales didn't exist? What if every single person around the world that ever sells anything chose to go on strike today? Think about what would happen. The only reason we have any money in our pockets, in our bank accounts, is because someone somewhere made a sale. They sold something to someone. this laptop, this book, this phone, this notepad, these lights, this camera, the microphone that you see on me is because someone somewhere made a sale. So think about it. If every single person in the world that sells something, online, offline, doesn't matter, went on strike today, the whole world economy would shut down. It would grind to a screeching halt and nothing would move forward. Because the old saying, sales makes the world go round. Yes, it truly does. And it doesn't mean that you are shoving something down someone's throat that they don't need, can't afford, or don't like. That is not selling. You see, in life, in business, in anything you want to do, if you want to achieve something you have not currently got, you have to do something that you have never done before. So if you want to take your business to new heights, look, you are going to have to do something you've never done before. The question I have for you is, who do you need to become to possess the things you desire? Think about that for a second and start to become that person today. And if you think that you don't deserve to charge the money that you charge, I'm sorry, that's just a limiting belief in your mind that needs to be broken. Because think about it, if you want to achieve anything in life, in business, in absolutely any shape or form that you currently do not have or possess right now, you have to do something that you have never done before. It's as simple as that. If I want to fly a plane, I need to get up in the sky, even if I'm scared of flying. If I want to swim, I need to get in the pool, even if I'm scared of deep, dark waters and sharks. You simply need to do something you've not done before. And if that's sales, then so be it. Another way to look at this is, let me ask you the reverse question. What will happen to you, your life, your business if you don't make the sales that you need to make? Every day, every week, every month. What's going to happen next month? What's going to happen in 6 months? In 12 months? In 2 years? Is your business still going to exist? What about your family life? What about your mortgage? What about your house, your car? Everything you desire, what's going to happen to it? Is it going to get taken away from you? And if the answer is yes, then what do you need to do? Pick up the phone and start dialing. If your mortgage company is on your back, pick up the phone and start dialing. If you have kids' tuition fees to pay, pick up the phone and start dialing. If your wife is about to leave you, pick up the phone and start dialing. I'm not leaving. Sorry, I got a bit carried away there, but if you know where that's from, leave a comment because I absolutely love that scene from the film. I get a bit passionate sometimes. So how do you get good at sales? It's the same way you get good at swimming, at flying. You simply have to do it. Do it! Just do it! There is no other way around it. No one is going to do it for you. And think of the reverse side. What's going to happen to your business, your life, if you do not make the sales you need to make? And hopefully that's going to spring you into action and conquer your fear. And just accept you are going to suck at first. I absolutely sucked at sales when I first started. But guess what? Nobody starts off being champion. No swimmer starts off being a gold medalist. They start being the bottom of the class and they rise to the top. Did you know that I never made a single sale for my first 6 months in sales? Do you know how demoralizing that was? So the truth is, you just have to carry on, okay? Just be consistent and carry on and you will find your mojo. If there's something that I didn't cover or I missed, please leave a comment below and I will personally respond and make a video about anything that I have missed. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, if you need help growing your business, you need help making more sales, closing more deals, creating high ticket offers, or growing your digital product business, all the usual links are going to be in the description below. Me and my team are on hand to help you through the process. And with that said, pick up the phone and start dialing. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one.